Lots more footage where this came from, so stay tuned. And we are rocking and rolling. Yes, welcome back to Project 948. Before we could start, we had to get the toys out of the garage, of course. One and a half horsepower Ferrari. So we're just refitting the windshield wiper off a rear windshield from a Hyundai, I think it was, single blade. Just tightening up those all-important special bolts on the rear half shafts, drive shafts. Waiting for that reassuring sound from the torque converter. Yes, we have a speedometer. Test run numero uno, nearly. So Mikey took it out for its maiden voyage up the road, and little bunny hops to start with. It went very well, and he reported oodles of extra power. This clutch control's rubbish, isn't it? Welcome to the 350 brake horsepower Porsche 944. We hope. for a spin. I took it for a spin next, and I have to report that it certainly was quicker. And then it was Mr. Slowsworth's turn. He managed to break the gearbox, and so he's only going slowly because he's only got third and fourth gear, to be fair. If we have to be fair.
Okay, slowly move.
While Mikey wanted to do things properly, I found an easy solution for finding first and second was to cut away a section of the bodywork. Yes, the transmission tunnel, which allowed the gear lever to shift over to the left more. Simple way. All in all, a good weekend with lots of progress. Mikey even said it was starting to look like a proper race car. Bloody cheek. So David and Mike will be taking it to a new track down just south of Phoenix to give it a bit of a rub down and see what happens. So as always, thanks for tuning in. If you got this far, I appreciate the support, and if you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.